So Lord, it is me, the one you love. Lord, it is me. Lord, it is me. I'm the boy you said. Lord, it is me. I am desperate for you. Whoa! I just pray people here. I just pray people here. Oh yeah, find a place. Find a spot. Tell him you are desperate. 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 Oh ho 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 ho. When you are here, when you are here, I die. When you are here, I something like a time. When you are here, when you are here, when you are here, when you are here, Jesus, you are here. Jesus, you are here. I can't be like a pie. What are you there? Jesus, you are here. Something else is here. Jesus is here already. Jesus, you are here. Open your mouth and pray. Jesus, you are here. Jesus, you are here. Pray the Holy Ghost. Pray the Holy Ghost. Something has entered now. Find a spot. Find a place sometime. Jesus, you are here. Jesus, you are here. Jesus, you are here. Jesus, you are here. When you are here, 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 when you are Yes, 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 yes. You came for fasting and prayer, not a gospel. We came to meet with Jesus. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. And we give you time to exercise your spirit. Jesus, I thank God for those who are praying. This is why you came here. This is why you came here. When you are here, 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 when you are here. When you are here, Miracles and wonders. I thank God for those who are praying already. Over your life, miracles and wonders. I saw the church building so fine. How will the money come? Miracles and wonders. I noticed that my body was not functioning well. How will the healing come? For the prayer, for the prayer, for the prayer, for the prayer, for the prayer. In this place today, heaven on earth, heaven on earth, heaven on earth, heaven on earth. Something's moving. Oh, can you not see it? Chains are breaking. Addictions are breaking. You are carrying your babies up. You are carrying your babies up. Hey, 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 hey. Are you in church today? Pray the Holy Ghost. Out of my belly shall flow rivers, rivers of living. I can't stop by. I'll go by. At all. Hey! And then as the river flows, it begins to bring every dead thing to life. In this full life church is the life-giving river. Oh, let it flow. Let it flow. Oh, yeah, allow it to flow. Oh, yeah, 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 flow. Oh, Katela. Ategeneka. Eterai. Till the day you will come. Jesus. I am your own till the day you will come. Ooh. You are my everything. You are my star till the day Jesus. If you leave me now, where will I? Leave me now where we are standing. Jesus. Just lift up your hands. Just lift up your hands and begin to pray in the Holy Ghost. The Holy Ghost is already here in this place to heal and to deliver. The power of God is already here in this place. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Let the fire flow, let it flow. Oh, let it pour, let it pour. Let it flow, let it flow. Let the fire, hey, 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 hey. Oh, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Let the fire, let it flow. Now allow the fire to burn that excess. If you want to kneel, lie down, whatever you want to do, can you just show your vulnerability in this house?